Question number 2. Find the inclination of the line whose slope is 0 degree. First question, 0 degree. First question, 0 degree. Inclination of the line whose slope is given as 0 degree. Slope is equal to 0. We have to find out the inclination theta. Slope is 0, that means tan theta is equal to 0. So tan theta is equal to, for what value of theta? That means tan theta value is 0. So for what value? So tan 0 is 0. So theta we can write it as, therefore theta is equal to 0. Therefore theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0. Next question. Slope is equal to root 3. So tan theta is equal to root 3. Okay, tell me. Second one, tan theta is equal to root 3. So already we discussed that tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree. Tan 60 root 3. So therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Next question. Slope 0.7646.
വായിക്കല്ലേ?
മിനിറ്റ് വരുന്നുണ്ടോ? മിനിറ്റ് വരുന്നു 32 ഡിഗ്രി.
You have to take. That also you have to take. Add that. .7646.
32 degree 24 minutes.
32.
37.
30.
No, 30. Sorry.
37 only, no?
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
37. Then 37 degree is what? Up to 37. 37.
24.
Then we have 7646. So is there any 7646 near to that? Same line. No, 37 degree.
24 minutes 7646.
7646. Okay. So tan theta is equal to tan 37 degree 24 minute. Tan 37 degree 24 minute is what? 0.7646. So therefore theta we can write it as what? 37 degree 24 minute. The next slope. Tan theta is equal to 1.0875. So for what value of theta? 1.
Tan 47 degree 24 minute.
And 47 degree 20 minute. Tan theta is equal to, therefore theta is equal to 47 degree 24 minute. Then third set. completed. Then start the third set. Find the slope of the line passing through the following pairs of points. First one. Two points are there. So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope is equal to. Find the slope of the line passing through the following pairs of points. So first one, -2, -3 and 1, 2. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here write x1, y1. Here x2, y2. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1. -3 divided by x2 1 minus x1 -2, which is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 1 plus 2. Is there anything wrong here? 2 plus 5 by 3, no? 5 by 3.
And മറ്റേത് -1 minus -1 and 8.
Oh. Then do the second one. -4, 0 and origin. Origin means 0, 0. No? Origin 0, 0. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Second one. -4, 0 and origin 0, 0. Answer. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So 0 minus 0, 0 source. Answer 0. No need of further calculation at all. Answer we can directly write 0 minus 0. Slope is equal to 0. Then third question. A negative B and B negative A. Okay. A negative B, B negative A, B negative A. Abhinav completed, no? No.
Yes, I completed.
Okay. Third one, A negative B, B negative A. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 negative a minus y1 negative b divided by x2 b minus x1 a. So this we can write it as negative a plus b divided by b minus a. So what is this? Negative a plus b. Is there any similarity between the numerator and the denominator? Both are same, no?
Yes.
Negative a plus b. Negative plus b is what? B minus a. Here also b minus a. Negative a plus b is what? B minus a. So b minus a cancel. We will get the answer as 1. So slope is equal to 1. Any doubt in this step? Negative a plus b.
No.
Okay. Then fourth set. Fourth set, find the slope of the line parallel to AB. If A negative 2, 4 and B 0, 6, what we have to find out? Find the slope of line parallel to AB. Find the slope of line parallel to AB. First we will find the slope of AB. Then next what? Slope of the line parallel to AB. We have to find out the slope only, no? So what will be the answer? Parallel means both the slopes are equal. Slope of the line parallel to AB. Completed third one? So A given. Fourth question. A is given as negative 2, 4 and B is equal to 0, 6. Find the slope of the line parallel to AB. So parallel to AB means this is a line AB. Parallel to AB here. So what will be the slope of that line? What will be the slope of the line? These two are parallel lines. Given in the question, these two lines are parallel. Or we can take this as parallel lines. Instead of this, we can take these two are parallel lines. Find the slope of the line parallel to AB. So that means we have to find out the slope of CD means what will be the slope of CD? Slope of CD is same as what? Slope of AB. Why we can say that slope of AB is same as slope of CD? Tell me. Because it is given that both lines are parallel. So instead of finding slope of CD, we can find out which one? AB. AB slope is same as slope of CD. AB is given. So if we find the slope of AB, that will be the answer of what? The line parallel to AB. So slope is equal to slope of AB is equal to by 2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is here x1 y1, x2 y2. So what will be slope of AB? y2 6 minus y1 4 divided by x2 0 minus x1 negative 2. Slope of AB we got it as 1. Since slope of, or you can write directly, you can write slope of What we have to find? Slope of
AB.
Slope of line parallel to AB. Parallel to AB. That is, we got the slope AB as what? Slope AB as 1. AB. We have to find out these two are parallel lines. CD are parallel lines. So we have to find out the slope of CD. That is parallel to AB. We can name it as slope of CD parallel to AB. That is, we can name it as what? CD. Suppose for our convenience, we are writing it as CD. So what will be the slope of AB? Parallel to AB. Slope of line parallel to AB. That is, we assume it as CD. So what will be the slope of CD? It will be 1. Slope of line parallel to AB is also 1. Why? Because given what? Given both are parallel lines. Both are parallel. That's why we are writing what? Slope of AB is same as slope of line parallel to AB. Understood the concept? Any doubt? Hello? Which part you have doubt? Tell me. Doubt. Understood or not? Want to explain once again?
Yes, ma'am. Once more.
Okay. നമ്മളോട് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് find the slope of line parallel to AB. AB ക്ക് parallel ആയി വരുന്ന ഒരു ലൈനിന്റെ സ്ലോപ്പ് ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. AB എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു ലൈനിന്റെ AB പോയിന്റ്സ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഏതൊക്കെയാ? -2 4 0 6 തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇതിന് പാരലൽ ആയി ഒരു ലൈൻ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. ആ ലൈൻ സപ്പോസ് CD ആണ് പാരലൽ ലൈൻ എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുക. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ഏതിന്റെ സ്ലോപ്പ് ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്? CD യുടെ സ്ലോപ്പ് ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. അതായത് ഇതിന് CD എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? AB യുടെ ഏതാ? AB എന്നുള്ള ലൈനിന് പാരലലായി വരുന്ന ഒരു ലൈനാണ് ഏത്? CD. അതായത് സ്ലോപ്പ് ഓഫ് ലൈൻ പാരലൽ ടു AB. ABക്ക് പാരലലായി വരുന്ന ഒരു ലൈനിന്റെ സ്ലോപ്പ് ആണ് നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. അപ്പൊ പാരലലായി വരുന്ന എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ that two are parallel എന്ന് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ തന്നെ. പാരലൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ രണ്ട് കൺസെപ്റ്റ് ആണ്. ഏതാ? പാരലൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ സ്ലോപ്പ് വിൽ ബി ഈക്വൽ. പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ മീൻസ് if you multiply that two slopes, answer will be what? -1. So we know that all things. So AB ക്ക് സ്ലോപ്പ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചാൽ അതേ സ്ലോപ്പ് തന്നെയായിരിക്കും അതിന് പാരലലായി വരുന്ന ലൈനിന്റെ സ്ലോപ്പും. അത് എവിടെയാണെങ്കിലും മുകളിലാണ് ഒരു CD കൊടുത്തതെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇതിന് പാരലൽ ആയിരിക്കണം. പാരലൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം ഈ സ്ലോപ്പ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചാൽ സെയിം സ്ലോപ്പ് തന്നെയായിരിക്കും ഏതിന്റെ സ്ലോപ്പ്? ആ ലൈനിന് പാരലലായി വരുന്ന വേറൊരു ലൈനിന്റെ സ്ലോപ്പ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ABയുടെ അതേ തന്നെയാണ് വാല്യൂ തന്നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ആ പാരലൽ ലൈനിനും എഴുതുന്നത്. സ്ലോപ്പ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് ലൈൻ ആൻഡ് ദ പാരലൽ ലൈൻ ബോത്ത് വിൽ ബി സെയിം. ക്ലിയർ? Again doubt? Others? Is it clear or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do the second one. Same way, A and B is given. So what will be the slope of line parallel to AB? So our answer is what? This one. Slope of line parallel to AB is also what? 1. Next question, 0, -3, -2, 5. Girls, are you here? No doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Sleeping? No doubt?
No doubt.
That means you are not studying the second sem. Only first sem you are concentrating. Now you don't want these all things. No. Huh?
We understood, that is why.
Oh, okay, okay. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Slope of AB, y2 minus y1. 5 minus y1, -3 divided by x2 x2 negative 2 minus x1 0. Slope of AB, that means 5 plus 3 divided by negative 2. That is 8 by negative 2, which is equal to negative 4. No? So what will be the slope of line parallel to AB? That also will be what will be the slope of line parallel to AB? Since both are parallel lines, we can say what? That also will be same as slope of AB. Slope of line parallel to AB is negative 4. Next question you have to say, okay, you will commit mistake, that's why I am saying that. You have to say. Fifth set. Find the slope of the line perpendicular to AB if A and B. Find the slope of the line perpendicular to AB. Completed this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, same way do the slope, but it is given perpendicular. So what we have to do? Find the slope of the line AB if perpendicular to AB. Instead of parallel, given as perpendicular. A is given as 0, negative 5 and B is equal to what? Negative 2, 4. Same way x1, y1, x2, y2, slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to what? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we have to find out the slope of AB perpendicular, slope of line perpendicular to AB. Slope of line perpendicular to AB we have to find out. So what will be? Let it be M1. Let it be M2. So we can write this as M1, M2. By 2. 4 minus y1 negative 5 divided by x2 negative 2 minus 0. So it will be 4 plus 5 divided by negative 2, that is 9 by negative 2, which is equal to negative 4.5. Okay. Up to that understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is our condition? Perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, then what will be the slope? If we multiply that, answer will be what? Negative 1. That means the product of their slopes will be negative 1 if they are perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, we can say that the product of the slopes is negative 1. So we have M1, we got it as what? Negative 4.5. We want to find out M2. So we know product of slope is negative 1. So M1, we assumed it as M1. This one, slope of AB, we assumed it as what? M1. So let it be that answer as 4.5 we got. We have to find out M2. That is slope of line perpendicular to AB we have to find out. That means M2 we have to find out. That means how can we find M2? M2 is equal to no idea.
Negative 1 divided by negative 4.
Negative 1 divided by
Negative 4.5. M2 is equal to what? 1 by 4.5. Instead of substituting this negative, if you are stopping from here itself, 9 by negative 9 by 2. Suppose M1 you got it as fraction form, negative 9 by 2. So, or we can write which one? M1 into M2 is equal to what? Negative 1. M1 we have negative 9 by 2 into M2 is equal to negative 1. So, what will be M2? M2 is equal to
Negative into negative 2 by 9.
negative 1 into
Negative
2, negative 2 by 9. That is equal to positive 2 by In fraction form, it is 2 by 9. Wasn't it? Fraction form, it is 2 by 9. Understood? What about the text back answer in decimals or fractions? Text back answer. That way we can follow. Slope. 2 by fraction, 2 by 9. Okay. Perpendicular to the line. So here it will be what? 9 by negative 2, that is negative 9 by 2. No need of decimals. Okay. Then next, slope of line perpendicular to AB we have to find out. So before that, what we have to write is product of slopes is equal to negative 1 since they are perpendicular. Product of slopes is equal to negative 1, that is m1 into m2 is equal to negative 1. m1 into m2 is equal to negative 1. So m1 negative 9 by 2 into m2 is equal to negative 1. So m2 is equal to negative 1 into 2 by negative 2 by 9. So m2 is equal to 2 by 9. So slope of line perpendicular to AB is equal to 2 by 9. Either you can write this in the working column or in that space provided there itself. This is up to you. I don't have space here, that's why I wrote here. Okay. Then what about the second one? Tell me. Slope. Fifth, the second set. Second one. A is equal to 3, negative 2, negative 1, 2. Do it. x1 by 1, x2 by 2, by 2 minus by 1 divided by x2 minus x1. So 2 plus 2 divided by negative 4, 4 by negative 4, which is equal to negative 1. Slope of line perpendicular to AB, that is m2 is equal to by 2 minus by 1. So what will be the answer? Same, since they are perpendicular, product of slopes is equal to negative 1. So m1 we got it as negative 1. So m2 is equal to negative 1 by negative 1. So it is equal to positive 1. So slope of line perpendicular to AB is equal to positive 1. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question we can do tomorrow, Monday. Okay, thank you.